Hello teachers, today I am going to explain how to configure auto reply to your email ID. For that purpose you must be having data connection on. So go online, click on your email, go to setting, then don't go to general setting, go to your email, then find out of office auto reply. Click here, then make this auto reply on, then decide the dates, between which dates you want to make this function on, from this date to that date. So generally when you have given this email to the students for particular submissions, in that period you can make this out of office auto reply function on. So whenever students will send a file and it will received to this email, automatically and reply will be generated and will be sent to a sender. Even sometimes we organize some conferences or we ask some application from the candidates. In that case even we can make this function on, so whoever will send their emails will be replied automatically. You can use this function date wise. So you can have particular date. You can select the date from the calendar, or you can select none. So it is unending. So whenever someone will send email to you, they will receive an automatic reply. Now what should be the content of that reply? So in that automatic reply, what would be the subject? For example, I have written acknowledgement of a paper, or say an application. And here you can write the message body, so that will be part of the auto reply. Thanks for your application. You will be contacted soon. So you can type auto reply. So here if you want to give this or a reply to the person whose contact is saved in your email, it means who have already communicated and you have saved their contacts in your Gmail account. Only those will be replied if you click here. If you don't click here, so anyone who will send the email to you, they will receive such kind of auto reply. You can set a date. Suppose sometime we give some dates for the submissions. Suppose you have asked to the student to submit their assignments on email, on office email. So and the particular period has been given. So that period can be mentioned over here, and during that duration only they will receive the reply. Once it is done, then you can make done. Come back here. So again, then you will start receiving. Now that function is on. Now if you want to off, then again go to the setting option. Go to the setting, email, then go to the out of office reply, make this off and done. So you will see out of office auto reply is off. Generally when you create some email ID for office purpose, like receiving papers for conferences or receiving assignments from the students, or receiving applications from the candidates for a particular post, so in that case you can make such a auto reply facility, and it will be automatically reply to the candidates. So you will have not to check every time manually and reply each and every candidate. So it can be done automatically in Gmail. Thank you.